Today I wanted to introduce you to a couple of new features. So WordPress 6.3 just came out Tuesday, August 8th, and I wanted to cover a couple of features in regards to themes and custom styles. So let's dive in. So here we are with WordPress 6.3 installed, and I wanted to talk to you about themes in general before I get into custom CSS. So if you were to want to change your theme and you want to go to a block theme, then you can select this tab here, and once you find a theme that looks pretty much close to what you're wanting, you can just go ahead and install that. And then before you activate it, what you can do is you can go over to the themes area now and do a live preview. So this is new. As long as the theme is a block theme, then you'll get taken over into the site editor, and then from here on the left you can go through the different styles and make sure that it's what you're after. So these templates here, this comes packaged with your theme, so this is all going to be theme dependent, right? So you may or may not want to change your theme depending on your situation, how long you've had your site, and how much content you have. So once you've decided, then let's go ahead and activate this one. You can do that. And another new change within the full site editor, you can actually go and view your site. So before you had to go back to the WordPress dashboard, now you can just view your site as you're working within the site editor. All right, so now I wanted to introduce you to adding custom CSS. So previously we would have to go into the customizer to add additional CSS, but now there's a different area to do that. So the first thing is to go into a template. Now it wouldn't really matter which template you chose. You click into the canvas area, and then you can see the global styles icon. When you click that, it opens up the styles panel. And at this point, you can click on the more three-dot menu here and go into additional CSS. So right here, you would add your CSS the same way you would in your customizer previously. But I wanted to also show you that you can add custom CSS per block. So once you're in the list of blocks here, you can go in and let's say we wanted to customize the buttons, and let's say that there was a styling that wasn't available already in this list here. So you go through and you can't find it here as an option. So then there's quite a bit here. So you'd be pretty hard pressed in this particular situation to not find what you need. But let's just go with the flow here and say that your buttons need to have the text color of, say, black. So that's how you would do that, but notice that you don't need to add the selector in this situation. So if I were to go over here and add a button, so I'm just going to say add after /B to get my buttons. And now I've got a button block, and I'm just testing. So the color black, right, is there. Let's say red. So as you can see, you don't need the selector. And that's pretty much it for the style guide area, other than you can always go into here, the style book, and you can go through the different styles that were packaged with your theme, and you can make changes here as well. So let's say that you didn't like the way the pull quote was developed here or styled, and again you couldn't find the CSS or the styling options within the panel, you can scroll down to advanced again and just add it in there. So again, color red. All right, so I hope that was helpful, and I will see you in the next video.